This is Christine Zeitler with Olean Public Library. January is National Seed Catalog Month, so in honor of this, I'm going to show you how to make compostable seed starter pots. All you're going to need is some paper, newspaper will work fine, a piece of wood, and something to use as a form of glue. Any 2-inch round or square piece of wood should work. I marked a sheet of computer paper, though you can easily use newsprint, into a rectangle about 5 inches by about 4.5 inches. Centering the piece of paper on the block of wood, I then folded down all 4 sides, and then I made the corners into points. This allowed me to wrap these around the circular or square piece of wood. I used some Elmer's glue to tack these pieces down. If you would like something more natural, you can easily make a paste of water and flour to use as glue. These will make a very good temporary seedling pot that can then be planted directly into the ground or into another pot.